Alright, Susanna, are you ready to help me put the cranberries in the bowl? Here we go. You're there? Can you put them in? Can you pick them up and put them in the bowl? You just want to eat them, but you don't like to eat them. You tried them already. You think this one will be better? No, it's not better. No. Are you singing the song? Alright, why don't you stand up and help me put the cranberries into the bowl. Alright? In the bowl? No, not in your mouth. No. In the bowl. In there. No. Can you dump them in the bowl? You think they're good to eat? Okay, I'll give you some more to eat, but these need to go into the bowl. You put them in the bowl? There you go.
No.
Yeah, like that. Can you do it? Yeah. Oh, those are the ones you want to eat. Okay, we'll be done putting these in.